Ever wonder how you can get from something like this to something like this? Well, I took a radish seed and put it on a piece of black cloth, watered it, recorded it, and sometimes I let it dry out too. And you see the cloth getting light, that's when it gets dry. But you also see that the plant grows most when the cloth is wet. That's why it's important to keep the soil damp as the seed is germinating. Now, that seed contains a group of little cells that we call an embryo. And some of the cells will grow into roots, some into stems, some into leaves. That's basically the parts of the plant. Well, that's the way life is. Some people call it a miracle, but not really. Life has been doing this for a long time, and it's the way we develop. In fact, not just plants, but that rabbit out there, you, me. At some point we were all embryos, and we grew, and we changed, and we developed. And that's just the way life goes. Nothing unusual or strange about it, actually. But there is a place where there are miracles in life. And that place is in our caring for each other. If a plant doesn't get the right environment, it doesn't grow. Or sometimes if a plant has something wrong with its embryo cells, then it might not develop as well either. Same thing can happen to a rabbit or to a person. But in the case of plants and rabbits and most creatures, the individual that has the cells that aren't quite right just doesn't survive. In human life, it's different. And that's because we care for each other. And a person who has challenges can live a life that is as satisfying as possible because we take care of that person and help that person grow and develop as best as the person can. That's the real miracle in life. And Jesus would tell us that caring is one of the most important things that we can do for each other.